Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm your Azure subscription, resource group, and a virtual network in the target region. Next, choose an image and VM size based on expected load. This matters for cost and performance. Create or import an SSH key or set a secure admin password so you can access the machine later. Once these essentials are in place, open the Azure portal or Azure CLI and prepare to run the VM creation command or guided wizard to instantiate the instance. You now specify the detailed VM configuration. Pick the OS image and VM SKU that meet your workload needs, and decide on availability options like zones or sets for resilience. Configure storage by choosing SSD or HDD, sizing the OS disk, and enabling encryption if required. For networking, attach a NIC, assign or create a public IP if remote access is needed, and define NSG rules to allow SSH or RDP while restricting other ports. Make sure you finalize by reviewing the deployment summary and starting provisioning. Monitor the deployment notifications until the VM reaches running state. Once up, connect using SSH or RDP and install updates and required packages, then configure startup tasks and backups. Verify networking, DNS, and access controls to ensure the service is reachable. If something fails, first check NSG rules, public IP assignment, boot diagnostics, and subscription quotas. Often a blocked port, missing IP, or quota limit is the root cause to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.